Hi, I'm Dan Bowden from Abode Financial Planning. If you're a high earner with a long-term incentive plan or an LTIP, you're probably aware that it's a great way to boost your overall remuneration. When it comes to the tax treatment and the timing of these shares, things get a bit tricky. In the short video, I'll walk you through the common pitfalls we see with LTIPs, opportunities for some smarter tax planning, and why timing, especially around the vesting, is important. Many people are surprised to find that LTIPs are taxed at income at the point when they vest. And as a reminder, vesting is when you take ownership of the shares. That means that even if you don't sell a single share, you could be on the line for a 45% tax bill plus national insurance. And because it's employment income, it could push you into a higher tax bracket and perhaps even erase your personal allowance entirely. One tactic we often explore with clients is looking at when the LTIPs are due to vest and how this impacts their wider financial plan. Often there's little that can be done about the timing of when the shares vest, but it's definitely worth asking the question. For example, are they vesting when you're due to be on a sabbatical or a lower income year, or perhaps when you're making a large pension contribution? All of these things need to be considered. After vesting, you own the shares, and from that point on, it's capital gains tax we need to think about. We often help clients decide whether it's best to sell all the shares straight away or whether it's best to keep hold of some of them or all of them for the long term. From a tax perspective, capital gains tax allowances have shrunk dramatically. So if your shares have grown, it's likely you're going to pay some tax. At Abode, we don't just look at LTIPs in isolation. We want to understand what they mean for your overall financial plan. Can they help you retire early? Should you give them to a family member or a spouse? Or could you use the proceeds to perhaps make a large pension contributions to bolster the retirement coffers? If you've got LTIPs and want to make the most of them, let's talk. We work with professionals across the Cotswolds to help them build financial plans which factor in their executive remuneration.